Hi, this is Dr. Judith Briles, the book shepherd. Now, my question for you today is, do you ever just want to escape? Or have you gotten stuck and you're not quite sure how to leap out of it? Escapism may just be the thing. Oh, you could go to one of those escape rooms and lock yourself for an hour and try to maneuver the mind games to get out. You can certainly do something like that. But also there's other ways to escape. Now, I'm the first to admit, I am in awe of fiction writers when they come up with some of their amazing ideas, the seeding of them. I mean, once they have them, I can play along, I can add to them, I can game, but it's the actual seed to it. So sometimes when I get a little stuck, or it just seems to be slowing down with trying to get a project done or through a chapter or whatever it is, I need to escape. And sometimes I will escape to a movie. Sometimes I will just drop and just pick up a mystery or a suspense novel, action, and just devour it for a day, day and a half, and get through it. And what I find that during that part is I start juiculating. I start getting ideas. I write them down. I start adding to them. So I always keep a sticky note pad, and mine are like this size. I'm going to show you one of mine. Look like this. All right. So I've got my name. I've got my phone number. My email's there. But I use these all the time. I carry them in my purse. I carry them in my backpack. I carry them everywhere because sometimes I may write a note and I want to give it to someone. But these are often just for me, just to remind me of whatever I need to do while I'm escaping. Because when I'm reading something else, that idea may pop in, that missing link. I've seen movies that, I just was doing the dropout thing, and all of a sudden, what I was looking for dropped in. So this helped me. So figure out what you need to escape, whether it's fiction, whether it's nonfiction, whether it's just taking a couple of days off and doing nothing, whether for me sometimes it's just cooking in the kitchen and doing that, playing at the stove. Find your escape mechanism and take advantage of it, embrace it, use it when you need just a little time away and out. I'm Judith Briles, I'm the book shepherd, and please follow me on my Facebook page, Judith Briles Book Publishing, and hey, listen to my podcast, Author You, your guide to book publishing.